How to download hidden apps on Android on Google Play Store. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can download hidden applications on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, what are hidden applications? Now, hidden applications are not that illegal or unofficial applications. These are the legal applications that are available in Google Play Store, but it doesn't show to you for some reason. Now, for example, I live in Asia, so if I search for a US application such as, let's say, Cash App over here, you can see it doesn't show Cash App. Similarly, if I search for, let's say, Robinhood, which is basically a crypto application, it doesn't show Robinhood application as well. Instead, it'll show me some other. So how do I download those applications without doing anything? It is actually very simple. I won't ask you to install a VPN or anything. So currently you can see if I search for Cash App, it will not show me, right? So what I will do is I'll just open up my browser. Then once I just open up my browser, you want to simply type in Cash App. So just type in the name of the application that you want to find and download. Then type in Play Store link. So just type in Cash App Play Store link, right? Then just tap the go button. Once you do that, you'll see the first Google Play link that says Cash App. And all you have to do is just tap on the link. It will take you to your Play Store, and then you'll see the install button. You can even tap on install to install that application. So normally when you search for it, even now if I search for Cash App, it will not show up. But if I tap on the direct link from Google Play Store, and then when I tap on that link, it will take me to Cash App and I can download that. Similarly, let me show you. Let's say I want to download some other apps such as Robinhood, right? I'll just type in Robinhood, then I'll just type in Play Store. Then you'll see the first link, obviously, which is the Robinhood stocks and crypto app. Then you can just tap on that option. Then it will take you to that specific application, as you can see here. Similar is the case with other applications such as, let's say, Revolut. I'll just type in Revolut over here, then type in Play Store link. Then I'll tap on this. This is the application that I want to download. But if I search for this app in Play Store, I'll not find it, but I have to tap on the external link to do so. So this is the trick to get around this, right? This is not an illegal app. This is a totally official app available in Play Store, but it isn't showing you a reason because you might be from some other reasons. But if it is available in Play Store, this is one of the tricks that you can get it to unlock it in your Play Store. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.